Okay, my medicine, it's really just like a box of stuff, is a disaster. So I just got in this 5-tiered medicine cabinet. We're gonna organize it and make it look so much better and easier to access than this. Okay, this is so much better. I was able to label them. It came with a ton of labels, like that's a whole stack of them, or roll of them. And I just did like kind of like the general thing that it was for medicine: cold and flu, sleep aid, bandages, all of that stuff. This thing is awesome. It has a little travel case, so if you're traveling you could put some little pills in there. It also has multiple different areas for organization, and also comes with dividers as well. I only use dividers on a couple of them. Top comes off, you can see clearly everything that you need. So I did like the things I use the most at the top, and then the things I use the least at the bottom. The brand actually sent this to me to test out, and it has really made a difference. I cleared out the entire big box right there, and it all fit in here. Okay, I wanted to show you, so I took off this bottom part. This part was nice because like my larger items that I wanted standing more upright, I could fit in here. So this is like my pain relief, and then kind of like my stomach stuff. Everything else is kind of laying flat since it's not super wide, but that doesn't bother me at all. So super great. I love that you can see in, you can see everything that you need, and it'll be a little bit quicker and definitely more organized. So I'm very happy with it.